Hey everybody, Justin here at AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're taking a closer look at and showing you how to install the Oracle flush mount LED taillights with the red lenses, available for all 2017 through 2022 F-250 and F-350 Super Duties. Now these taillights from Oracle are going to be one of the most unique looking options out there, thanks to the flush mount design that is going to be great for the hardcore off-roaders or someone just looking to change up the look a bit while also adding some aggressive styling at the same time, thanks to the black housings with the darker red lenses. Now the Oracles will work on both LED or halogen trucks, along with both blind spot and non-blind spot trucks, and can be had for right around $500 for the pair. All right, let's get into some of our features here with the Oracles, and the biggest I would say is definitely gonna be the unique appearance you're getting out of that flush mount design. Now these taillights are really popular in the off-road scene, mainly the Jeep and Bronco world, because they aren't easily banged up on the trail. And well, if you do take your Super Duty off-road, maybe go overlanding often, this is certainly something to consider. Now, on the other hand, if you just dig the unique look of the taillights and don't really care too much about the functionality aspect, well, that's totally cool too. It's your truck. Mod it how you like. Now, speaking of functionality, that really cool appearance and lighting is courtesy of a couple of different things here. First and foremost, these tails are going to utilize a full LED operation for your brake lights, your signature perimeter lighting, your running lights, and sequential turn signals. And of course, we can't forget about those reverse lights. Now, speaking of which, the amount of firepower coming from the row of white LEDs here, really impressive out of those reverse lights. You're getting a whopping 4,400 lumens, certainly enough to illuminate the darkest areas while backing up at night. Now, another cool feature here is that Oracle is proud of the fact that you can actually disassemble the lights if you want and paint the black plastic parts to actually match your truck. Certainly a different look, there's more work involved, but it is possible if you wanted to go that way. If you don't, well then the black looks very cool as well. Now, moving into construction, and the main housing, or basically all the black portion here, is going to consist of that durable ABS plastic, while the lenses in this case get that durable polycarbonate material, which is given that kind of OE darker red finish and certainly delivers a little bit more of an aggressive look. But if you wanted to go even more aggressive, Oracle does offer a darker smoked version of these tails as well. Now, as I mentioned at the top of this video, these tails will fit both LED and halogen equipped trucks with the included adapter, along with fitting both blind spot and non-blind spot trucks. Finally, guys, again, the lights are going to be plug and play thanks to the included harnesses, and do get backed by a 1-year warranty in case you run into any issues. Now, the flush taillights here from Oracle are going to run you right around that mid $600 price range, which does put these in line with some of your other LED options here on the site, at least at the time of this video. Now, I have to say, these are probably one of the most unique looking options out there at this particular price point for what that's worth. So if you want to be different, these are certainly worth checking out. All right, moving into our install, and the site's gonna call this an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter thanks to the plug and play install. I would say taking you an hour at absolute most to complete from start to finish. Now, to give you a better idea of how things might go down at home, here's a detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and an 8mm socket. What's up, guys? Today we're installing a set of taillights on our F-250, so let's get started. Now, to remove our factory taillights, we just need to remove these 2 8mm screws. We're gonna pull it back and then pop it out the side to remove it, and then we can disconnect all of our connectors. So grab an 8mm socket to pop these out. And we're just gonna pop that out, pull sideways, and then we're just gonna press in on all the tabs on our connectors and pull back. And remove it. Now, before we install our taillight, we're gonna have to install our adapter harness. Now, we've got a lot of connectors on here. There's gonna be 2 of these black connectors that have 3 wires going to them, and 2 that have 2 wires going to them. The ones with the 3 wires are going onto our black connectors, and then I'm using the black and white wire, 2-wire connector for our green connector. So I'm gonna plug all these in. You'll have a couple connectors left over that are unused. And then this is the main connector that we're going to plug into our taillights. So the rest of this can tuck back out of the way. And then I'll grab my taillight. I've got 2 connectors on here, but I just need this bigger one. Plug that into the adapter harness and push the red locking tab in. So now get your 2 screws and get those started into the holes. And then grab your 8mm socket and tighten those down. And then repeat that process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Oracle flush style LED taillights with black housing and clear lens for your 2017 to 22 F-250 and F-350 Super Duty. Thank you for watching. For all things F-250, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.